Yeah, we're gonna solve a nice algebraic problem. So here we have been given AB, BC and CA. We have to find A square plus B square plus C square. So what's the first step we're gonna do here is, let's see, step 1. I'm gonna write it. AB is given to us as 1000 and BC is given as 2000 and CA is given as 3000. Now let's multiply this term by C and this term by A and this term by B. So after we multiply, we get ABC is equal to 1000C. Here we have ABC is equal to 2000A, and here we have ABC is equal to 3000B. So what can you identify from this? Here we have ABC, 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 all are same, so we can equate them. So we have 2000A is equal to 3000B is equal to 1000C. Now what's the next step we can do is divide both sides by 6000. So when we divide both sides, let's divide numerator and denominator by 6000. So what do we get? Let's cross out the zeros here, here, here. So we're left with 2 over 6, that is 1 over 3. So we have A over 3, which is equal to 3 over 6, that is 1 over 2. So that's B over 2 is equal to C over 6, which is equal to K, and K is a constant. Now what do we do? After this step, let's equate that to the constant. So we have A over 3 is equal to K, then we have B over 2 is equal to K, and C over 6 is equal to K. So we have A is equal to 3K, B is equal to 2K, and C is equal to 6K. Now what's the second step? We have found the values of A, B and C. What's the second step? So in step 2, we're going to find the value of K square. How can we find it? From the question, we have AB is equal to 1000. So let's substitute A and B, the values of A and B. It's 3K times B is 2K, which is equal to 1000. So we have 3 times 2 is equal to 6K square is equal to 1000. So let's divide both sides by 6 to cancel this. So we get K square is equal to 1000 over 6, that is 500 over 3. So we got the value of K in the second step. Now the main step, step number 3, that is to find A square plus B square plus C square is what? So let's find out what is our A square plus B square plus C square. As we know, A is equal to 3K. So let me write it down, 3K the whole squared, plus B is 2K, 2K the whole squared, plus C is 6K, 6K the whole squared, which is equal to 9K square plus 4K square plus 36K squared, which is equal to 49K squared. And what is K? K is given to us as 49 times 500 over 3 from here. That's K square. So I'm just substituting in place of K square. So here we have 49. 49 times 500 is 24,500 over 3. That's the value of A square plus B square plus C square. That's 24,500 over 3. That's your answer.